In the next episode of Music Sah, Ayla will not return directly to the Albora mansion after abandoning the wedding. Instead, she will take Dennis to believing distance is the only way to stop the bloodshed from following her son. There will be meet a man from her past who now owns an elegant restaurant and appeared to offer the calm life she once wanted, but an arrival will not be a simple romantic reunion. He will reveal that Braun contacted him before the wedding and left behind a sealed envelope containing name, bank transfer, and a warning about someone inside the Albora family who had prepared the attack. Ayla will refuse to trust him at first because every man who came to protect her eventually asked her to surrender her freedom. Meanwhile, Sehan will bury Sahin with a silence more dangerous than anger. He will blame himself for the bullet that ended Sahin's life, but the moment he learned Ayla has crossed the border, grief will turn into determination. Sehan will travel after her without telling Sadakat, leaving Kaya to hold family together. When his family reach the restaurant, he will see Ayla and Envy speaking privately and misunderstand the scene. Envy will deliberately provoke him, instating that Ayla choose peace over the Albora name. Ayla will stop the confrontation by placing Buran envelope between them. Inside, they will find a photograph of standing beside Ismail years earlier, proving that the new stranger is not entering their lives by chance. The real shock will come when Dennis quietly admits that he has already seen Ufik near the hotel. The light in the restaurant will suddenly go out. A single gunshot will echo from the kitchen, and Sehan will shoot Ayla while Envy disappears with the envelope. And that moment, Ayla will realize she has not escaped the war. She has carried its most important secret into another country. As the alarm began ringing outside, Ayla will notice that the missing photograph from Buran envelope has been replaced by a handwritten promise. The first person who uncover Ufik's identity will lose the person they love most.